Welcome to Libya, a land where the desert meets the sea, where silence stretches beyond the horizon, and the wind carries whispers of forgotten empires. Here, the earth is golden and endless. The sky, a vast mirror of light and shadow. It is a land shaped by time and solitude, where every grain of sand holds a memory, and every breeze tells a story from ages long gone. Across the Great Sahara, dunes rise and fall like waves of a sleeping ocean. The sands of the Ubari Desert shimmer under the sun, their surface glowing like molten gold. Hidden among them lie the Ubari Lakes, emerald pools surrounded by palm trees, a miracle of water and silence in a sea of sand. It feels like the world has paused to breathe. Here, the desert is not empty. It is alive with light, with motion, with quiet strength. To the north, the Mediterranean brushes Libya's coast, soft waves touching ruins older than memory. At Leptis Magna, marble columns rise toward the blue sky, remnants of an empire that once ruled the seas. The wind moves gently through broken arches, and in that stillness, the past feels alive. The stones here do not decay. They whisper, quietly, of greatness and loss. Every shadow tells a story, and every ruin glows under the golden sun of memory. Beyond the dunes, the sands give way to hills and valleys, where olive trees cling to rocky soil, their roots deep in the earth, their branches stretching toward the light. The land breathes with resilience, a harmony between endurance and peace. Every gust of wind carries the scent of earth and stone, reminding travelers of life's quiet persistence. Here, the silence is never lonely. It is full of presence, full of life. Where the sands dream, oases bloom like miracles. Palms rise tall beside pools of crystal water, and nomads guide their camels gently through the stillness. Their faces carry the calm of the desert, eyes that have watched dawns unfold for generations. Hospitality here is not a custom. It is a rhythm of the soul. A guest is never a stranger, only a friend who has yet to share the firelight. In the distant mountains of Akakus, ancient art covers the stone walls. Drawings of animals, hunters, and rain. They are the voices of ancestors, telling stories of a time when this desert was green. Under the soft desert light, these walls feel alive, echoes of humanity written in dust and memory. Each mark carved in stone is a message from the dawn of civilization. When night falls, Libya becomes a sea of stars. The Milky Way flows above like a river of light, and the desert below glows in silver silence. There is no sound, only the heartbeat of the earth, steady, eternal, at peace. In this stillness, the spirit finds its reflection, and time feels like it has no edge. It is in moments like these that you realize how infinite silence can be. What makes Libya truly special is not what it shows, but what it makes you feel. It is a place where silence becomes a melody, where emptiness turns to meaning, and where the soul remembers how to rest.